Right now, thousands of diesel owners are making critical mistakes that guarantee expensive engine replacements. While some drivers are nursing their diesels past 400,000 miles, others are facing catastrophic failures before 150,000. The difference? 5 specific strategies that industry insiders guard like trade secrets. I'm about to reveal the exact methods master mechanics and professional haulers use to transform ordinary diesel engines into legendary workhorses. Stick around because strategy number 3 alone will save you more than your truck payment. Strategy 1. Oil change mathematics. Let's destroy the biggest myth in diesel ownership right now. Your owner's manual is lying to you about oil changes, and here's the mathematical proof that'll blow your mind. Modern diesels generate 40% more combustion byproducts than gas engines. They operate at temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and turbocharging creates pressure differentials that stress oil molecules beyond manufacturer testing. Professional fleet managers, people responsible for million-dollar equipment, discovered the sweet spot through brutal real-world testing, 4,500 to 6,500 miles maximum, not the 10,000 to 15,000 your manual suggests. Here's why this matters financially. Premium diesel oil costs $60 to $80 per change. An injector replacement? $3,000 minimum. A turbo rebuild? $4,500. Do the math. Aggressive oil changes are the cheapest insurance policy you'll ever buy. Choose your interval based on operating conditions. Dusty environments and heavy towing demand the 4,500-mile schedule. Highway cruising allows 6,500 miles maximum. But here's the non-negotiable rule. Consistency trumps everything else. Strategy number 2. The highway healing method. Your diesel engine is suffocating and you're the one doing it. Every short trip, every gentle drive is slowly poisoning your combustion chambers with a deadly cocktail of carbon deposits and unburned fuel. Diesel engines were engineered for one purpose: sustained high-temperature operation under load. When they don't get it, catastrophic problems multiply like a virus. Professional drivers call this the highway healing method, and it's mandatory weekly therapy for your diesel. Here's the exact protocol. Once per week minimum, drive continuously for 20 to 30 minutes at highway speeds, 2,000 RPM or higher. Watch your engine temperature gauge hit full operating range and stay there. This isn't babying your engine, this is medical treatment. During this process, 3 critical things happen simultaneously. Carbon deposits incinerate at high temperatures, your diesel particulate filter regenerates completely, and your turbocharger bearings get the lubrication workout they desperately need. Ignore this strategy, and you're looking at $2,500 DPF replacements, $1,200 intake cleaning services, and premature turbo failures. Strategy number 3. Turbo Protection Protocol. This single habit separates diesel legends from diesel disasters, and 90% of owners have never heard of it. Your turbocharger spins at 200,000 RPM. That's 3,300 revolutions per second. At highway speeds, it glows cherry red from friction and combustion heat. When you shut off your engine immediately after hard driving, you're essentially welding your turbo bearings with superheated oil. The result? A $5,000 turbo replacement that was completely preventable. Master mechanics follow the turbo protection protocol religiously. After any sustained driving above 2,000 RPM idle for 60 to 90 seconds minimum before shutdown. This simple pause allows 3 critical things to happen. First, the turbo shaft decelerates gradually while oil circulation continues. Second, bearing temperatures normalize before oil flow stops. Third, carbon deposits that form during shutdown are minimized dramatically. But here's the advanced technique most people miss. After mountain driving or heavy towing, extend your cooldown to 2 to 3 minutes. Professional long haulers who rack up 200,000 miles annually make this non-negotiable. Modern trucks have turbo timers built in, but don't rely on automation for this. Manual cooldown gives you complete control and forces you to develop the discipline that separates professional drivers from weekend warriors. Strategy number 4. Cold Start Mastery. Cold starting is where most diesel owners reveal their amateur status. Unlike gasoline engines that fire up instantly, diesels require a precise pre-ignition ritual that determines engine longevity for the next 100,000 miles. Your glow plugs aren't just convenience features. They're precision instruments that heat combustion chambers to exactly 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Rush this process, and you're guaranteeing hard starts, white smoke clouds, and accelerated engine wear. Here's a cold start mastery technique that professional mechanics teach their families. Always wait for complete glow plug cycle completion. No exceptions, but in temperatures below 32 degrees, cycle twice before cranking. Turn your key to on. Wait for the glow plug light to extinguish completely. Return to off. Then repeat the entire sequence. This double heat technique raises combustion chamber temperatures an additional 200 degrees, ensuring clean ignition every time. In extreme cold below 10 degrees Fahrenheit, consider triple cycling. Yes, it takes an extra minute, but you're preventing 3 expensive problems simultaneously: starter motor overload, battery drain, and incomplete combustion damage. Professional drivers in Alaska and northern Canada swear by this technique. Their diesels start effortlessly in minus 30-degree weather, while others are calling tow trucks. Strategy number 5. Fuel System Guardian Technique. This final strategy might be the most expensive lesson you never learn. Your diesel fuel system operates at pressures that would cut through steel, 30,000 psi in modern common rail systems. One critical mistake can destroy components worth more than your monthly mortgage. Running low on fuel isn't just inconvenient, it's mechanical suicide. Diesel fuel serves triple duty: combustion energy, cooling medium, and precision lubricant for injection components. Remove any of these functions and catastrophic failure is guaranteed. When your fuel level drops below quarter tank, 3 devastating processes begin immediately. Your fuel pump starts ingesting air bubbles, creating cavitation that destroys internal components. Injection system temperatures spike beyond design limits, and settled contaminants from your tank bottom get sucked directly into precision components. The Fuel System Guardian technique is brutally simple. Never drop below quarter tank, ever. Maintain half-tank minimum during winter months when fuel gelling becomes a threat. Professional fleet managers who oversee hundreds of diesels mandate this policy because replacement costs are staggering. Injection pumps start at $3,500. Complete injector sets run $4,000 to $6,000. And fuel system contamination can total your engine. But here's the insider bonus. Keeping fuller fuel tanks prevents condensation buildup that breeds algae and introduces water contamination. You're not just protecting mechanical components, you're maintaining fuel quality that keeps your diesel running like a Swiss watch. These 5 strategies separate diesel legends from diesel casualties. While others are financing engine replacements, you'll be enjoying the bulletproof reliability that made diesels famous. Implementation starts today, not tomorrow, not next week. Your diesel's longevity depends on the decisions you make right now. Which strategy surprised you most? Drop a comment below and tell me your current mileage. Let's see who's got the highest mileage diesel in our community. And if this video just saved you thousands in potential repairs, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We've got more diesel secrets coming that'll transform how you think about maintenance. Keep those diesels running strong, and I'll see you in the next video.